Today in this video I'm going to unbox a gold coin by WHP brand of 1 gram 24 karat. So let's unbox it and see how it looks. So here you can see the bill. It's saying 7,984, but I have paid 7,184 after the bank discount which I have got by using the bank card. So we have received the gold coin in a metal box like this. So previously we used to get golden color metal box, but now WHP had made customized metal box to deliver their gold coin, which is having WHP website name printed on the box. So here you can see there is a locking mechanism over here. If this is tempered, you will be able to know. After tempering it, you can't re-plug in or reuse the same bands. So let's unbox it and see. So here this coin is of 1 gram from the brand WHP. Over here you can see fine gold 999 purity. Tolerance level is 0.05 plus or minus grams. So this is a total 1 gram coin. So you can see how the packaging of the WHP looks. So let's explore the coin and see. On the coin there is a WHP branding. On the coin it is mentioned as 1 gram fine gold 999 purity, and on the back side of the card details about the brand has been mentioned with the address. So this is how the gold coin by WHP looks. So you can order this for gifting purpose or investment purpose. So if you are looking to gift someone, so this will be one of the best option for gifting. Even it is a best option for the investment. So if you want to purchase this coin, I have mentioned a link in the description of this video. You can directly purchase it from there.